Okay, ready all of you? Yes, ma'am. I can ask some organs names. You can say and point with finger also. Okay? Yes, neck. Neck. Stomach. Stomach. Chest. Chest. Thigh. Thigh. Foot. Foot. Knee. Knee. Legs. Legs. Shoulder. Shoulder. Eyes. Eyes. Hair. Hair. Head. Forehead, ears, nose, mouth, lips, tongue, shoulder, elbow, wrist, hands, fingers, cheeks, chin. Good. Keep it up all of you. Give a big claps all of you. Thank you.